Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to review something special, something that I've been wanting to get for quite some time. I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these for quite some time, and finally got my hands on it, literally. There are so much things that can be said about this gun here. Just so you know, these are not made in America. They were made in Israel. This right here is a double barrel AR-15 5.56 223. I haven't shot it as yet. Hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna take it out to the range, and then I'll come back and give you my review on. I'll show you some range footage on it, and then I'll give you my honest review on it. This is an expensive piece, I must say. Literally about $2 and change. Everything on it is stock. It also have two muzzle brake here, 2-barrel, has 2 bolt carrier group, has a huge charging handle, a BCM grip here, and it also has 2 trigger on it. All right, I think it have 2 buffer tube too. And we got the Romeo and Juliet. The Romeo and Juliet. The Romeo, the Juliet, move to the side. I'll show you how that works. And Romeo. So just so you don't think I'm joking, make sure it's safe. It's hard to pull because it's a double. So I literally have to use my two hands to hold it. There's 2 magwell. So we have 2, what's the name here? 2 empty magazine. 2 empty magazine. 2 different style, right? So I'm just gonna put them in just to show you that it's 2 hit. There you go. See it? It's 2. It's crazy. This is 2-barrel. See it? It's 2 barrels. AR has 2 triggers on it. See it? 2 trigger. You can shoot one at a time, or if you can get both, if you can get your finger on both trigger to squeeze it at the same time, literally you can fire 2 shots at the same time. But you can fire one from this side and then come back and fire one from this side, or if, as I said, if you want, or if you able to put your finger all the way in the trigger and trigger guard, and let both trigger off at the same time, then this is really heavy. When I say heavy, I mean it's really heavy. It's a double barrel AR, so it has some weight to it. As I said, it was made in Israel. America don't make any model like this as yet. So with that being said, it's gonna be a fun gun to shoot. I can't wait to shoot it. I can't wait to give you my honest review on it. As I said, it's a huge charging handle, Romeo and Juliet. As I said, Juliet can flick to the side. There you go. You turn it so you can see it. All right, there's nobody in here. It's just me. It's a safe room. Romeo and Juliet. See, flip to the side so you can, and then you flip it back. And then you can, what's your name? As a Romeo and Juliet red dot, okay? It's literally heavy, so I really have to use my 2 hands to hold it. 5.56 223. What else to be said about this? It's very unique, very unique. As I said, I'll give you my honest review on this gun right here, but man, I can't wait to shoot this. I'm so excited to shoot this. I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these for a long time. I am really excited to shoot this gun, to see what it's like to shoot 2 bullets at the same time. I'm gonna try my best, see if I can shoot both of them at the same time. You know what I mean? So, as I said, it's a heavy piece. It's literally a heavy piece. All right, so I'll give you my honest review after I come back from the range, and then we'll show you what's going on with it and tell you how it shoots and how it handles and how it feels. It's supposed to shoot flat because of the double bow carrier group. The gun is really heavy, so it actually balances out. So usually on a heavy gun like this, it will balance out, so it won't have much recoil on it. I can't say much about it. I just have to give you my honest review as soon as I get back from my range trip, and then we'll go from there. We'll break it down and see what is what, and then, you know, I'll tell you exactly how I feel when I shoot it. All right? Until then, stay tuned for the follow-up with the double AR-15, double barrel, double bolt carrier group, double, it's not a double charging handle, buffer tube or double, 2 magazine at the same time, 1 there. Let me show you again. 1 here, 1 here. All right, there you go. Nice piece. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. All right, and you'll be notified when another video is dropped. Until then, see you after my range trip, and then we'll talk about this a little bit more. That is a beast. What's that back way? Oh, it's looking sweet.
Double barrel AR. Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Yeah, don't put me on the internet.
Huh?
I don't want to be on the internet. Is that cool or what?
That's awesome.
We also,
Cool, huh?
yeah, we had one guy. It's in a movie, a James Bond movie, Double Barrel 45. That guy had one in here. I got to shoot it. Yeah. Cool stuff. I just had to show it to you. Sorry. It's been a while since I fired one. Find out. If there's 2 holes, it does. Right? Does that have 2 charges?
Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully I can do both of them at the same time. I'll try one first and see.
All right, guys, I just had to show you that.
That's what.
All right, that's one. That's the other one.
Oh, wow.
Now I'm going to try both of them at the same time. Yeah, that was both at the same time.
No, fucking.
Unfortunately, I can't.
You should have 2 at a time.
That is let me try Juliet out of the way. You try
In
just
case
hold
one
it
doesn't hit
myself.
him. Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. I'm squeezing both times. I literally have to pull and the other one. I'm literally thought the recoil wasn't going to be. It just has a little bit of recoil too because both of the bolt carrier group is traveling at the same speed, at the same time, and hitting the back of the buffer tube at the same time. So it puts a little bit. It's not a lot of jerk in my shoulder, but I can feel it on the trigger itself. We off. Both at the same time now. Whoa, that piece is a lot of jerk. Wow. Let me put Juliet back. She's over there. Let me go to the face. Safety off. Once you stop shooting, you always got to put the safety on. Okay? Alright, you see the two at the same time? Yeah, double barrel, AR. Yeah, 230 round magazine. Romeo and Juliet. Shoots pretty good. Yeah. Make sure the safety's on. Yes. Safety's on. And you clear this guy.
Who even makes that?
It was made in Israel. You go now it's heavy. I'm going to move Juliet. Right? Brace myself. Move. Lock open on the last round. So it's just like a standard AR. Romeo and Juliet, move Juliet out of the way. So forward, releases both of them. Yeah. Yeah, nice. I have to put a lot more rounds through this going forward. This is a nice gun. Nice gun. I got 3 solos to it now. Yeah, but it has a lot of weight to it. Shoots flat. Shoots nice. Would I recommend? Yeah. But for the price, gotta be careful. Break your pockets. Alright? A lot of holes. Now we're going to move on over to let that cool down a little bit. Now we're going to move on over to this AR pistol that I built. See how this one works. This might be a little bit off. Take a few shots and see how it's working. A few drops in there. Release the bolt. Drop 2 drops in the gas key. Walk it a little bit. Easy way to do it. Line up now. Too far off. Not too much flash, but it's in the flash that are going forward. Change the flash that are going forward. Get a little bit more kick, a little bit more part of it. But for now, it's nice, soft, short and air. We're going to do this one. Let's see if I can each shot. So basically 2 shots each time. So this will be a 10 shot. Doubling up by 20. And then I'm going to come back and tell you what the picture looks like. Everything is lined up. Right there is good. All right, here we go. So I'm going to do it out of the way this time so I can a little bit more. Here we go. First magazine in, second magazine in. So we are. Now we're going to work. All right. Locks open. You press one button, it releases both knives. Yeah. One button releases both knives. I'm bring the target in. right barrel is lined up. The left one is a little bit off. So the left one, the right one is that's where I was. So that tells me that the left one is lined up. The left one is just a little bit off. Just not the problem. Do it at another time. I will. That's allowed. Go from there. That being said, for the barrel AR, my thoughts on it. It's a pretty nice shooter. It shoots just like a regular AR, but it has a little bit more oomph, a little bit more push back in the shoulder. It's heavy, as I said, so the weight of it balances out. The right barrel is lined up, so I gotta get the left one lined up. Romeo and Juliet seems to be working properly, working fine. You can see everything. AG-43 grip, pretty nice, made in Israel. My final thoughts, would I purchase this one? Yes. This one? Yeah. I definitely recommend it. So I'll see you back at the table to discuss it further a little bit more, and we go from there.